Hi, welcome to today's DIY tutorial where I'll be showing you how I created this Magnolia dupe for the Magnolia leaf spray. I think these stems just scream fall. I absolutely love how realistic they are. So I started off with these stems that I found at Hobby Lobby, and when I came across, I thought they were the perfect base for this project. Giving them a little bit of a spray with some hairspray. I wanted to try and give it more of that crunchy, stiff type of leaf look, if that makes sense. This step is definitely optional, you really don't have to, but I wanted to go the extra mile and give it that extra detail. I started off by mixing the mustard shade and the reddish brown shade together, and with the paper towel started dabbing that onto each leaf. Using the paper towels will give you a more distressed, realistic type of leaf rather than using a paintbrush, which that would give you a more flat and opaque look. So now I'm going in with the melted chocolate shade, and it's just a really deep dark chocolate color, and this shade is my absolute favorite to work with. I always use this color, but using the paper towel again, I'm going to be adding in some dimension to the leaves and giving it some natural shading, just like a real leaf that you would find outside. The great thing with these stems is that since they are a variety of tones like the oranges and yellows, it's easier to manipulate, and on some you don't have to add as much paint if you don't want to. And then it helps create that more realistic look because no leaf is the same color. Just a price comparison, for this project I spent probably around $10, if not less, just because I already had a few of the paint colors. The stems at Hobby Lobby were $5.99 with the 40% off that they always have on their florals, and the paints I think are around $1 at either Walmart or Hobby Lobby. The Magnolia stems on the website were, I believe, $28 a stem, and I think they're sold out as of right now. So if you're someone that wanted to get one of those stems and weren't able to, this project is a good alternative to that. Or if you're like me and like the designer look for less and don't mind the extra work, then this is also great. Once I finished the front side of the leaves, I started on the back, and it was a bit more messier and carefree on this side than it was on the front, so this part did go a bit more faster. As you can see, they're starting to look better once you're past the painting part, which is the most time consuming. To give it the realistic touch that the Magnolia stem has, I added the step of using my hot glue gun and simply adding a bit of glue to a section of the leaf and folding an edge or half the leaf over to give it that curled look, if that makes sense. For the final step, also optional, but I'm a very detailed person and wanted to make it look natural, like I just picked up a fallen branch from outside. I took a lighter and gently swiped it across some of the edges of the leaves for that perfect little detail. To style, I simply stacked a couple of books that I thrifted and topped it with a vessel that I got from Hobby Lobby 2 years ago, I believe, and this one I also DIY'd. And then added our beautiful faux stems that we created for a third of the price. And I really hope you enjoyed this designer look for less. Let me know if you're interested in more videos like this, creating designer dupes. I really enjoyed doing this. I don't have enough time with my kids now, but I could definitely find the time if you enjoy them. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.